Welcome to StockInvest, your go-to channel for market insights before the opening bell. Today, we dive into the key factors shaping the markets, from OpenAI's soaring valuation to critical labor market updates. United States stock futures edged higher this morning, with investors focusing on the potential for upcoming Federal Reserve interest rate cuts. Despite the ongoing government shutdown, market sentiment remains cautiously optimistic. The Dow futures held steady, while S&P 500 and Nasdaq futures showed modest gains, reflecting investor confidence in certain sectors, particularly healthcare and infrastructure. Pfizer's recent agreement to lower prescription drug prices in exchange for tariff relief sparked a rally in the healthcare sector, boosting the broader market's momentum. AES shares surged following reports that BlackRock's Global Infrastructure Partners is close to a $38 billion acquisition deal, further lifting the S&P 500. Meanwhile, Lithium Americas gained traction after the United States Department of Energy announced a 5% stake in its joint venture with General Motors, highlighting the growing interest in strategic materials. One of the biggest stories today is OpenAI's remarkable $500 billion valuation after a $6.6 billion secondary share sale, making it the world's most valuable startup. This valuation surpasses SpaceX, emphasizing OpenAI's dominance in the artificial intelligence and technology sectors. The sale involved current and former employees selling shares to major investors like SoftBank and T. Rowe Price. Secondary sales like this help provide liquidity to employees and retain talent, signaling strong confidence in OpenAI's long-term growth despite the sale falling short of the initially offered $10 billion. On the currency front, the United States dollar is experiencing volatility after the Supreme Court denied an immediate removal of Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook, preserving institutional stability within the Federal Reserve. The dollar index has retreated slightly after 4 consecutive days of losses, with analysts noting that the ruling signals strong protections for federal officials and institutional confidence. Attention now turns to the challenger layoffs data, which is gaining importance amid delays to key labor market reports caused by the ongoing government shutdown. Earlier data showed the largest private payroll decline in over 2 years, and with non-farm payroll reports potentially delayed, private sector figures like challengers' layoffs will be closely watched. Gold prices remain near record highs as investors seek safe havens amid economic uncertainty and expectations of further interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve. Thanks for watching StockInvest. If you want to stay updated with the latest market news and insights, be sure to press the notification bell so you never miss an update before the markets open.